Today, I am going to begin with the discussion of this. I captured this screenshot from Atomy Philippines Success Academy. This really might trigger my eyes. We are Atomy, yes, yes. We know that. We see that. I know that. We do have an account. We have a membership. We do have an ID. We can access the system. But do we really know? Are we really an Atomy by heart? And I think that is the biggest questions for all of us, including myself every day. Do I really know Atomy? The system, yes. Partially, 50% of the system, the structure of the business, I already learned, but not all, right? The product, do I know all the product? Have I tried all the product of Atomy? No, not yet. Not yet. I think I already tried or used the product 80 items or 80 lines of product. But we have like 400 different kind plus product of Atomy. The biggest question in here for us, we are Atomy, is by heart, the culture of this business. And I think for myself, if I evaluate myself in here, I'm not even 40%. I still learn and learn and learn. And I still made a lot of wrong decisions, good decisions, and maybe not so good decisions. That is why I keep on telling to myself, I need to learn more about the culture of Atomy business. And believe me, when you are already right there on that spot, when you are already fully embrace this culture, that is where the success stories will begin on that story. So who we are actually is we are the global Atomy, of course, and what we do is we provide excellent, good products and adopt the distribution model of what? The e-commerce, that we don't need to carry our product and bring it to our customers. We can actually just provide the knowledge to our customers or end users and let them buy from our shopping mall. Keep in mind, our shopping mall, we own a shopping mall. See how proud would that be if we fully understand the benefit and the potential of this business? That all of the sudden, without having any kind of capitalism in there, we own a business distribution platform. So how will we know? We need to learn more about our business, okay? So anywhere, the latest branch that just opened is Kazakhstan. Do I know a person maybe in Kazakhstan? No, I don't. But eventually, some of my business partners or members or relatives may know somebody that lives in Kazakhstan or may know somebody that are from Kazakhstan, right? So these are all added business market opportunity for all of us. What do we have to do? We have to learn. The potential of this business is all right there. We just need to make it happen on our own benefit. Okay? Just like this team Belgium and recently the first Success Academy as well in UK. This last Saturday, there is a Success Academy actually also in the Philippines. Now, the e-commerce business, as I mentioned, is all about what? This is about the knowledge that we have to bring it on. The business is right there. The product is right there. Right? What we need to do is to understand and how to do this. Do we need to have a big capital to do this business? No. What do we need? The product. Use the product on our own. And again, building this knowledge that also help us in our personal character, confidence, and desire to do this business. Knowledge is our capital of doing this business. What else? The market. The e-commerce, this is a global market opportunity for all of us. What are we looking here? What we are finding here is the consumer. We need to look for consumers. We ourselves are consumers of the product. That's why we begin it with ourselves. Try it with ourselves, all of these essential products. And of course, what are these? More convenient for all of us. We don't need to go find where. We have the best product of every category in our shopping mall. So knowledge about the business, experience about the product, and what else do we have? How and why? We are looking for this. We're looking for freedom of our time. And this is a huge opportunity for all of us to build and find our freedom of time, freedom of money, and of course, freedom of mind for our next generation. So why Atomy build this e-commerce business, this online shopping mall for all of us, and why Atomy is offering this generous opportunity for all of us. And this is exactly why we need to learn and we need to understand fully what is why Atomy offer this and what is why our own why we need to do this business. So talking about the product and talking about what is the experience that we have, and I'd like to point out this. This was from the direct selling news that they captured way back 2020. But actually, our website states we do have 1.73 billion of global sales last year. That is last year, right? In 2020, if we rank ourselves in here, if we rank our Atomy company here in the rank of this 100 ranking, right, direct selling companies in the whole world, we are already up right here. Technically, we are already up here. And I'm sure by this year and the coming years, if we look back into how, where, and how the company really, right, position in terms of the sales, the revenue for the last, at least the last 3 years, we are really, right, going up at least 2 notches every year. So think about this. If the company that is developing every year, that is growing every year, and the company that is sharing the wealth into its members, I think we are in the right track company. And just feel it. Just like have that kind of eagerness of passion to yourself. If this Atomy will be #1 in the distribution company in the next 5 years, I want to be part of this company, right? Not just like being a member, but being a business entrepreneurs of this company. So start from the why and then go for what and how, right? We know our why. We want to have a financial freedom. We want to have a good health, and a good look. I think that's all part of us. I mentioned earlier from Mom Estella, the first time that I saw her on our Zoom meeting, I feel like Mom Ella is right and needed more of her a smile in there and need to work out on her. Maybe it's just too late of her at night in the Philippines. But right now, if I see her, I am very happy and proud to say that she looks really, right, totally different the first time that I met her. Why? Because of what? Because of our product that she used. I am sure of that. Right. With this growth of the company for the last couple of years, let's say 3 years or 5 years, right, from 5 years ago, the revenue of this in 2021, I am sure with the opening of Europe, opening of a lot of countries, again, Kazakhstan by this year, and many more countries to open, and I'm sure this revenue will really go up. I am excited to look at that. So in the direct sellings, right, offers everyone an equal opportunity. This is the best that we could have, regardless of age, sex, race, religion, or level of education. This is what I really like it to begin with back 2019. I don't need to study to get my certification or courses. I just need to learn, right? The system, the product, and the culture of this company. And here I am, right? But look at this, 74%, right, of this business is done by women. And I'm sure I agree with that, right? In all these direct sellings distribution, I myself, I'm having a hard time to use the skincare product to begin with. Of course, I cannot promote. I don't know how because I don't even use. I only use the health product. But after a year of looking at it, why these other people look really good? So I started to use to myself. So for all of us in here, think about this, right? The customer satisfaction of this business, the customer success lies upon our hand. So this is an e-commerce platform business, an online personal platform business. We own it. Yes, we gather in here to learn. But each one of us, our ID is our personal platform business. So think about this. What is the impact of this for us, for now and in the future? What is the significance of the business of Atomy business, the product itself for us, and the purpose, our reason? Why do we have to sacrifice our time to learn, to share, right? And to help others.